Hi there traders, so let's jump straight into this video. Trend lines. Trend lines is also a known fundamental tool to trade the VIX 75 index. It's also known as support and resistance. We mark trend lines only from two touches until the trend line got broken. We also get long-term trend lines and short-term trend lines. So let me just show you guys examples what I mean about trend lines. I hope you guys take notes while I'm going through these videos. This is only the theory first, then I will most likely show you guys on the charts the practical uses of it. So let's take a look at trend lines. So here you can see we have trend lines. We only gonna need our first touch and our second touch. And our third touch is most likely the touch where we can see price continue to the upside until price starting to break out of our trend line. Here we have our first touch, right? Then we have our second touch. So we draw it either from the upside. So this would be the first touch and this would be our second touch. So this would be the trend line down here. So there we can see this trend line start from this first touch and there we have a second. So this is a bullish trend in market structure. So this is how we will use our trend lines, right? So what I mean about how your trend lines can get stronger is if you use a trend line on your daily time frame and you have more than two touches. Place your trend line and wait for price to most likely come and retest that area. And also on a 4 hour and your 1 hour time frame, that is where we get most likely the strongest trend lines. So let me just show you guys some examples on the charts.